done, Sylvia? Show me how it's done. Ooh, plumber. Woohoo! You did it!
That's how we do it.
Okay.
Trying to make it slide.
Can you look at the camera and say, Happy New Year, everyone?
Happy New Year, everyone.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Say, thank you, Uncle Joshua, for teaching me about disc golf.
I don't want to say that. Probably later.
Oh, okay. Can you say, I love you, Uncle Joshua?
I love you, Uncle Josh.
Say, I'll see you on Eleuthera.
I'll see you on Eleuthera.
Can you blow him a kiss? Uncle Joshua is the person who taught you how to blow kisses.
Why?
He loves you.